in here making breakfast. I haven't got my Christmas music on this morning because my TV's acting crazy. Usually I turn Christmas music on just about right when I come in here. But my TV's doing one of its weird things it does, you know. I'll fix it in a minute. I know how to fix it. It just takes a minute, so I wanted to go ahead and get breakfast going. I'm making some oven-baked ham, egg, and cheese sandwiches, so I put some crescent rolls in the bottom. You can also use crescent roll, like the crescent dough sheets for this. We're gonna put some cheese down first. And we're using this breakfast ham that we got from Aldi. Now the scrambled eggs. I'm just chopping them up a little more here so they'll spread a little easier. Some more cheese on top, and then we'll put the other can of crescent rolls on here. And I already have the oven preheated to 350, and they'll cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the crescent rolls are done. Do we want Christmas jazz this morning or actual Christmas songs? Christmas happy jazz in a winter coffee shop. Winter village Christmas. Country Christmas. There you go. We're coming out here to get the pieces of our Christmas tree that we cut off because I want to make some decorations with them. That piece over there is already starting to look kind of, yeah, you get the rest of this piece here. You got it?
Yeah.
Manly's already taken that half up. Wait for me, I'm coming. Okay, I saw an idea for something that I can put over the kitchen window, so we're gonna see if we can make it. Might make a few other things too. We'll see if we got some pine cones. Let's look for pine cones too, Manny. Oh yeah, there's a lot over here and they're fun because they actually look like they have snow on them from all the stuff that's on them.
Be very careful with my forest.
Okay, I'll be careful. We have long pine cones. I wanted regular looking pine cones, but these will work. Oh, this is a good one. This one has a good shape. I like them to be a little bit shorter. We got really long ones out here. You know what? We should have brought a pine cone basket or bag. Here's a little update on the house painting. This is what we've got going on right now. Just cover up the top and you can imagine what it's gonna look like. Yeah, bring everything right over here.
Okay, now we need something to hold pine cones.
I want to get enough of these little limbs cut off here to try to make something to go over the kitchen sink. Maybe I thought we could make some ornaments or just some decorations. Here comes Miss Turkey. I bet she'll come up here. She sees us up here, she'll come up here. And then she doesn't know how to get back down. Like, she doesn't mind coming up the steps, but she's scared to walk down the steps, so we have to help her down. She looks like a giant puff ball. Hey, Miss Turkey. I'm laying it out over here so I can see how it's gonna look. I think I need a little bit of a longer one. Can you hold this up for me?
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
What do y'all think? I think it's kind of clashing with that green curtain because it's not the same color green. We need to hang up like a Christmassy red curtain or something. You know, we hot glued a little pine cone onto the middle of the bow.
Yeah, okay. We went pine cone hunt then.
We did. It's fine. What do you think about it, Manny?
It looks holly jolly.
Holly jolly. Okay. It looks holly jolly. Well, that's good then.
I bet you cannot do this.
No, I don't think I can do that.
Try.
Okay, you ready? Jump! Did I do it?
No.
Oh. I'll try again later. I gotta cook supper now. Did Sissy just come in? Sissy, you left your school stuff on the table. God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ the Savior.
He was born on Christmas Day.
Right. We're having the Italian meatball sliders for supper, so we have some Italian sausage. I'm gonna mix this with a little bit of ground beef. We'll go with a pound of the sausage and a pound of the beef, and I'm gonna put the rest of this in the freezer. All right, we're gonna put some Parmesan cheese in here, a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna go with a little more Parmesan cheese, almost a cup. Half a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon, maybe a little more than a teaspoon of garlic powder, dried parsley, and 2 eggs. And then we just make the meatballs, and they're gonna go in the oven probably about 15 to 20 minutes. I've got the oven at 375. I'm watching the Christmas card. Okay, I got everything cleaned up real quick. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the marinara sauce. I put in 1 can of tomato sauce. Now we're gonna put a can of diced tomatoes. We're gonna make this a chunky marinara, but if you don't want it chunky, just do, tomato sauce. Don't do the diced tomatoes. We'll put some salt and pepper, a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes, just a dash of ground thyme, some garlic powder, and we're gonna put just a little bit of sugar. So we're just gonna bring this to a simmer, and then we'll turn it down to low while the meatballs finish cooking and we get the rolls ready. So I've already got some melted butter here. We're just gonna put some garlic powder and parsley flakes. So we're gonna put down the rolls, and we're gonna take, did that timer go off for the meatballs? I think it did, yeah. Let me go ahead and get those out. I think I turned it off and didn't take them out. Now we're gonna cut a little hole. I'm looking at the size of my meatballs over there. We're just gonna cut a little spot on the top of the rolls to sit the meatballs down in. Some of these rolls are kind of small. When we get all these holes cut out here, we're gonna brush the rolls with the melted butter mixture, and they're gonna go in the oven for about 7 minutes. That'll help to toast them up a little bit so they won't get soggy when we put the sauce and meatball and cheese on them. These would make a really fun party food. So we'll just brush this all over the tops and down inside the rolls, and they're gonna go in the oven. While they're in there, we'll get the cheese ready. I think I have some shredded mozzarella. Did I get shredded? I think I did. If not, we'll shred some.
Oh, okay. You gonna put them like that?
You wanna help? It's gonna be fun. Watch.
I'm having a fun time painting, baby.
Have you ever had so much fun?
Yeah, out there painting. Each stroke of the brush. I'm a painter.
So we're gonna put a meatball inside each one. Then we'll put some marinara sauce over the top and some cheese, and they're gonna go back in the oven just for about 5 minutes, just long enough to melt that cheese. The meatball sliders are almost ready to come out of the oven, but before we take them out, we gotta pick a winner for Prancer's first giveaway. So we've got the YouTube link up here, and we are ready to get the comments. We're gonna start the raffle and pick a winner. Looks like Allison, you are the winner. Congratulations. Comment down below and let me know how I can get in touch with you to get you your gift card. Everybody else, stay tuned. Prancer has more giveaways to come.
Waking up to all those smells.
Christmas tree.
Good night, see y'all tomorrow.
Oh, can I please